Many famous people admire Russian classic literature, but I've never seen so deep and unique understanding of it, so sincere love and passion like I've seen it from Jordan Peterson. Dr. Peterson, who I hope is not need to be specially presented, has expressed their admiration for Russian literature on numerous occasions. He believes that it portrays the human condition in a realistic and raw manner. Russian literature is, in his words, deeply penetrating and provides insights into the complexity of human nature. Hi, my name is Mike Tulpakov and welcome back to my channel, where I help you to discover great literature and to start reading books productively and consciously. You know, I can speak a lot about Jordan Peterson and his exploration of modern culture and the influence on the culture. But today we are talking about his love of Russian classic literature. Dr. Peterson has spoken particularly highly of Fyodor Dostoevsky, praising his ability to capture the complexity of human experience. Here are some quotes from Peterson about Dostoevsky. Dostoevsky is my favorite author, perhaps because he is a psychologist first and foremost. He is concerned with the human psyche and how we actually operate, rather than how we should operate. Dostoevsky's characters are incredibly compelling. They are real people with flaws, insecurities and fears. He was able to capture the essence of human experience in the way that few other writers have been able to do. Through his writing, Dostoevsky explores the darkest aspects of human nature, but also the most redemptive. He shows that even the most terrible people are capable of goodness, and that redemption is always possible. Peterson has also praised Leo Tolstoy's writing for its ability to capture the nuances of human experience. Here are some quotes from Peterson about Tolstoy. Tolstoy's writing is incredibly vivid and rich. He creates complex characters who are capable of change and growth over time. Tolstoy was concerned with the deeper questions of life, such as the meaning of existence and the nature of morality. His writing reflects the search for answers to these questions. Peterson has also spoken highly of Aleksandr Solzhenitsyn's work, particularly his ability to explore the brutality of Soviet prison camps. Here is a quote from Peterson about Solzhenitsyn. Solzhenitsyn's work is a testament to the human spirit. He was able to capture the horrors of the Soviet prison system while also revealing the resilience and strength of the human soul. Overall, Jordan Peterson's appreciation for Russian literature appears to stem from its ability to provide profound insights into the human condition, to grapple with the important philosophical questions, and to do so with exceptional literary skill. What was the reason of this short video? I wanted to show you how such intelligent and broad-minded person as Jordan Peterson finds something infinite, something immortal in Russian classic literature. Of course, most of the masterpieces were written 100 or 200 years ago, but the possibilities of Dostoevsky, Chekhov, Tolstoy and Solzhenitsyn to see the core of human soul, it's something that couldn't be unseen once you've seen it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful, and I really hope you will start read Crime and Punishment or Brothers Karamazov after this video. Maybe not after my words, but after words of Jordan Peterson. Thanks for watching, see you soon.